Video 589 of the engine documentation. Let's get going. So in the illegal stuff section, we got some monkey wrench macros for invalid Tileway top-level data variables. In the data by system section, we have added some more Tileway top-level data variables. We have a dirty flag for whether or not we need to do a GPU sync, and then we have the rectilinear bounds of the dirty rectangular region, the dirty rectangle region of what needs to be synced, right? So if this flag is set, then this rectilinear region is valid, and we're going to push that up to the GPU. So let's go down here to the Tileway function section, and if we scroll down here, we see Tileway GPU sync. It does not take any parameters because it's going to use those global variables we were looking at earlier. So if the dirty flag is set, we're going to extract these bounds variables and put them into these temporary variables so that we can call GPU sync and make sure that the left, right, top, and bottom bounds are loaded into this function correctly. So this is going to push the memory in PIX 2048 up to the GPU so that what's in the CPU side matches with what's on the CPU, fucking hell. What is on the CPU side is going to match with what is on the GPU side. Is that a fucking tongue twister, or am I just having a fucking seizure? Anyways, so if this flag is not set, then we just do nothing, because there's nothing to sync, right? And after we're done, we're going to clear that dirty flag and say that everything is clean, right? Dirty equals 0 means everything's clean. Okay, then right down here, we're not going to create this plot1 helper function. That was a stupid fucking idea. And we're going to do this in the next video. So I put a note here that we needed to create the GPU syncer before we got into the body for this code here. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to the Ninja Coder channel. You are here on the Kanji Coder playlist. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game using vertical, horizontal, and four-way blasting proximity mines, as well as a thing called a laser box, a thing called a spark pin, and also things called Jax bombs that have a slightly different explosion radius than the standard bombs.